house lift today. Looking good. Got some plumbing here. Gonna have to figure out how we're gonna reconnect that to the underground with a sump. A lot of work to do. Be the 1.25" T with the Mueller fittings into the irrigation box to shut off into the yard hydrant. Here's the yard hydrant in the flush. 5-year warranty, it says. It's made out of steel. We're gonna tape this riser up. It's got a little drain port at the bottom, right there. That's where water drains out, so we'll have gravel around here with the filter cloth. So it turns out. Water line coming out of the foundation right there. Down this trench. Excavator backfilling right now. 1.25" polyethylene. We'll have a T right off here. Irrigation box with a shut off. Yard hydrant will just pass that gate. Pipe will come all the way down here, past the sump, past the gravel pit, through the fence. Well is down there, and we will leave a connection there to put the pressure test on. Hello, llama. Nice llama? Are you a llama?
Is that a chicken?
Action shot. The old vet taught me everything I know. Peter the Pistol.
Give me a hell yeah!
Put a little cap on the end for the pressure test. We got the crowd going wild. Woo, 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 woo. Still need some support after the test and we're all done, but we got the main water coming in here. We got a T for fire sprinkler here since it's a commercial application. Main water shut off of the domestic. Drain here and test port will go into the pressure tank here. Filtration system. After the filtration system, back over here to the outbuilding. And then the hot water line will come out here. Up to the NPE 240A and the mechanical room up there. Controls and DJ in there, and the band will be rocking out with their socks on right there. We'll get the pressure test on, make sure this T is okay, and we got the 1" going over there. We've got irrigation control box sit right on top of this shut-off valve. This shut-off valve is for the yard hydrant. Jeff and Gary just mixing up some concrete over here. Gonna make a nice concrete pad in here today, and we'll mount that yard hydrant next week after it all cures up. Nice work, boys. Jeffy nailed it. Gonna be the strongest yard hydrant of all time. Well, good day to you too, chickens. We got the Liberty Pro 380 sanitary sump. This bad boy goes in the basement. When the sewer can't reach the city connection by gravity, the sewage from the toilets and showers goes through here, inside the cistern, and they get pumped out of the discharge up to the height and tie into the city sewer. So if you can't reach, your basement can't reach the city sewer by gravity, use one of these bad boys, and you can put a bathroom in wherever you want. Levi installing the Liberty X8 sump riser. It's an 8" riser that goes on top of a Liberty basin. Since the BC plumbing code or the BC building code changed, we needed to put 4 inches of styrofoam below the slab, which means our pipes are too high because they're in the styrofoam. So we can drop the sump down and add on this 8" riser from here to here and get our grade and stay below the styrofoam insulation. Just bolts in on the inside. No nuts needed. Just bolts. It's got a gasket, rubber gasket we lined up in here. Holes in it already, and it's got an extension in case you got the built-in pump. Brings it up to the right height. 8 inches exactly. Got the world's easiest underground here. 4" stack that'll pick up the bathroom up above us. Floor drain that'll pick up the fire sprinkler system over here to the left. This is gonna be the test wire. We're gonna put the test plug in. Fill up the sump first, just in case the water table rises. We don't want this thing to lift. We'll leave that full and fill this up 5 feet ahead for the inspection on Monday. So we're filled up to that height. We'll put the old test plug in there now. 4" double test plug, also known as the donkey tail. There. So this one here does this test plug here, and then the top one does the one down at the bottom here. And then when you relieve it, you open this one first at the top so that it would drain out to the sewer and it doesn't come back up out the test Y.